Hi guys, this is Holly here, and I'm your personal resume writing coach. Did you know that hiring managers spend an average of 6 to 30 seconds reviewing your resume before they decide to toss it? In this short tutorial, I'm going to give you some tips on how to keep your resume in the right stack. Before we get started, let's look at this common juice container. Companies spend millions of dollars to get you to notice their product. Looking at this container, what is the very first word you notice? If you said the word cranberry, you're in good company. Now, what's the second word you notice? I bet it might be ocean spray. This company wastes no time telling you the two most important things about their product. In less than 6 seconds, we know what it is and who it is. Now, let's look at an average resume. As a hiring manager, I begin to skim for previous job titles, but they don't quite relate to the position I'm hiring for. I also don't see any matching skills jumping out at me. By now, I've spent way too much time studying the resume, and I'm moving on to the next one. So let's take a look at a resume with a well-crafted profile statement. Think of it as a headline that immediately grabs the reader's attention and tells them what they're most interested in. What do you have to offer their company? A profile statement is always located within the first third of your resume. It may take many shapes or forms, but should always serve two purposes. It should say, this is who I am, and this is what I bring to the table. As you build your profile, start with 1 to 3 keywords. Think of them as your target title. What job do you want to have? Or consider, what makes you you? This is your branding opportunity. For Hannah, this would be community health, disaster response, medical administration. Next, we add a brief narrative. Results-driven community health leader with 4 years experience working overseas in remote hospitals for the U.S. Army. Proven ability to lead medical work teams, develop standardized health policies, and educate the community on disease prevention and best practices for health and wellness. Areas of expertise include. Now we're going to strategically add a list of our top skills that match the employer's desired skill sets. These are what we often refer to as our keywords. Each of these skills are considered hard skills and should include any matching skills listed on the job posting. Building your profile statement isn't a one-size-fits-all. Here's an example of a simpler profile statement. This applicant gives himself 3 target titles to brand himself, and below he offers 4 of his best key skills. Keep in mind you'll probably be adjusting these keywords as you apply for different positions. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. And remember, a great interview gets you the job, but a great resume gets you the interview. See you next time.